Hello, dividend executives. Welcome back. It is Friday, so you already know we are trading options. We're reviewing our plays from last week, and we are going to see which options could expire worth this or which ones we should roll out into next week. So let's take a look at it. The account is. Let's look at the day. Today's an absolute brutal day, mostly for Tesla, but also Apple and Amazon have pulled back as well. For the week, we are almost flat at down 0.46. For the month, we are down 3.37%. For 3 months, we are down 5.99%. Year to date, we are up 20.48% or $12,000, and that is the entirety of this account. So just year to date. Well, let's take a look at it. The one that's been pulled the most, that sucked a lot of the money out of the account, is Tesla. Per usual, it is a very volatile. As of today, it's down $7.83. So that's over $700 for us. That's probably close to $1,000 just in Tesla alone today that we're down. For the week, it's down 5.81, and for the past month, it is down $22.73. So sometimes that happens, though. I believe in the company long term. I don't really care, and I'm going to continue to buy it. And speaking of which, right now we have 44% of the account in Tesla and 120 shares. Let's scroll down here a little bit. We did do some purchasing on Tesla. On Tesla on October 9th, we bought 2 shares for the 256.06 was the average price. And we did have some options traded on this as well. So let's take a look at what we have this week. We have our Apple call, we're up $99 on. Amazon call, we're up $46 on. TQQQ put, we are up $46 on. Tesla call, we are up $198 on. And right now we're up on the Mara call $10, or I'm sorry, $28. So over just this week alone, that's almost $400 in premium. And glad that Apple and Amazon pulled down a little bit because I was in the money, and it's good to see them pull back a little bit. So let's close out some options. Let's roll some options, and let's get into next week. First and foremost, I want to jump into TQQQ. It is a down day for this one, so we are going to roll this position. We're going to look into next week. Would love to pick up some TQQQ shares, and let's do it for. Let's see if we can get it for $35. That's going to pay us $55 in credit overall. That is including the buy to cost close and the sell to open. So $55 is a credit for looking for there. The bid is $53. The ask is $56. And we may get a fill for $55. If not, we can come back and edit that. But let's leave it open while we are doing the video. Apple played absolutely perfect. I played a little aggressive last week. This one, we sold this, put for, let's see, just other credit right here. Yeah, so today you can see it's up 96%. Theta has decayed this sucker away all the way till the end. We're up 96.15% on the option, or $100, and we're going to roll this puppy out. So let's roll it out. Let's take a look. So I could do the 185. That's super safe. I could do the 0.26 delta at the 182.5. It did have a pretty good week. CPI is now gone and passed. It did raise this week. So we have a little bit less on the Fed side of things. I think I'm going to play it a little bit safe, though, if I'm going to be honest here. So we're just going to play it a little bit. Let's see, for $26. Not a whole lot of income. Still $26, though. And let's see if we can get it to fill for $27. We might have to come back and edit that one as well. I kind of want to be a little bit more aggressive on it, but let's just see if we can get a fill for that. And then let's go into Amazon. $46 for the week. We are up 97.87% on this trade. And let's roll this position out. Amazon's sitting, what are we sitting at? 129. Let's look into next week. We're going to go a little bit higher up the chain. 0.18 delta. A little bit more comfortable with that. Let's do that. Let's throw the numbers down there. 53. See if we can get a sell. A little bit high on the bid ask there. We might have gone a little aggressive on the ask side, but you never know. It's always worth asking for. You can always come down and adjust it close to the bid price. You can see the bid asked. We're right in the center on that Amazon, and there you go. That's why I just executed, because we're right in the center. We're right in the center on the Apple call at 27, with the 26 and the 28 being the bid and the ask. And then we're on the high side with TQQQ. So we're probably going to have to go in and edit that. There's no way we're going to get a sign, though, on the 35.5 today. It's trading around the 37, so we're good to go there. And then Tesla earnings is next week, so our premiums are elevated. Our cost on Tesla is down to, I want to say 265. Let's actually just view Tesla real quick. 264, yeah, so 265. So we could roll anywhere above the 265 mark. Again, this stock has been absolutely obliterated this week. So if we did the 265, that's 380 in premium. We did the 270, that is $263 in premium, and that would give us about $500 of $500 of credit there. So, and we do have some shares that are running free and clear. So I think I'm just going to run it the exact same strike, honestly. It's going to pay $219. That's $218 of credit. If I get it called away, that's roughly $750 of share appreciation, and then we can wheel back into it. I don't have the greatest cost basis on this, so I'm not too worried about it. Tesla has had a massive pullback today, and not really a whole lot of reasons that I'm seeing. But let's see if we can get the fill on that. Looks like we might have to come in here and edit some of these. Let's see if we can replace this order on TQQQ. Let's see if we can get the 53. Right between the bid and the ask there. Maybe not. We're still at the high end. And I think that just said that the Tesla order went through. Let's take a look. Yeah, so the Tesla order went through. So just like that, we collected some premium there. Does it show average credit $220? So $220 right there in income for the week. Mara's already out for the week. This has been a stock that I'm down on, but I continue. I'm comfortable owning up to 1,000 shares. Right now I have 440. I bought some more shares actually today, I believe. Let's take a look. Yeah, on the 11th, bought some more shares, bought 15 more shares. Just trying to lower my cost basis there. I keep selling calls above my cost basis, but I'm close to, I believe my cost basis is close to the $10, and that's what I want to get it under. Yeah, I'm at 10.07 right now. We actually, you know what, let's buy some more shares because I just raised, whoops, whoa. Let's go to shares. I'm going to buy some more shares here with the premium that I just made. Let's see here. Boom, just like that. Made some premium on Tesla. I'm going to roll that into Samara, lower our cost basis a little bit. Now we're down to 10.02. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to get it to where I can sell the call closer to the actual market price on Mara. Mara was right trading at 776. Decent week, up 26 cents. Debt just brutally beat down on the last month and really bad on the last 3 months. Pretty flat on the overall year and then up obviously on the 5 year. So going to continue averaging down on that. No problems there. And let's see if we got any more fills here. So TQQQ still not rolling. No problem. So let's come in here and let's just see if we can get a 51 fill. Sometimes this is just how it goes. Should be able to get a fill, no problem here if we're down at the bid. Yeah, so bid's 51, ask is 53. I'm guessing the reason why it takes a little bit of time is because Robinhood is not great with the multi-legs. And what I mean by multi-leg is it's trying to do 2 operations at once. One operation being closing out the current put, the next one being opening up a new put, right? So it looks like it went through there. Credit hit the account. We got $51 on the roll. We paid $2 to close out on the old one, so we booked a nice profit there, and then another $53 to open, which means if I were to get assigned, my actual cost would be roughly around the $34.50. So not too mad about that. Would love to get assigned some TQQQ. You guys know my vision here. I buy JEPQ. I stack up JEPQ enough until I can get another 100 shares of TQQQ. I want to keep stacking up multiple shares of TQQQ, and then I'm going to buy some QQQ. If I end up selling Apple or Amazon, then I'll buy some more QQQ or TQQQ and just continue to get that ball. QQQ is my favorite fund, and I want to continue to start stacking that in this Roth account, especially as I build the position up. So we have $304 of buying power. All of our position, it looks like Apple has not come through, so we might have to wait a little bit on Apple. I'm going to let that sit for now. And at the end of the market day, if I can't get it to close, then I will go ahead and go closer to the bid price there, or I might move the strike down to the 182.5, allow for more share appreciation, but be a little bit more aggressive, closer to that 0.25 delta. So I'm just going to let that sit. For now, we have the plays open into next week for the Amazon at 135, so we rolled that one up and out. Mara was already open, but we're good to go there. If those end up executing, then we lose our shares at above our cost basis. TQQQ would love to get assigned on that, but we're getting paid to buy the stock. And then Tesla, again, we're playing into earnings. This stock could go down to 230 or it could go up to 300. You just never really know. But I am happy taking the $200+ in premium to take that gamble. And if they do get called away, I still don't. I mean, obviously I cap my upside, but I still would guarantee myself 750 in share appreciation plus the 200 and some change in premium. So that's where we're sitting as of right now. We're down on Tesla. We were up on it 2 days ago. This is just how the game works. This stock moves like absolute crazy. If we go, I mean, look, we were just at 267 on October 10th, and yeah, this stock just jumps around like crazy. So that's just the game we're in. Tesla just moves like crazy, and it moves a portfolio balance. But we have over 70,000. We're up to 71,000, and let's see, what's our buying power? You know the drill when I have some buying power. $300 going to come in here. Let's buy a little bit of JEPQ. We want to stash away some there. Want to continue to stash away into JEPQ so that we get our QQQ fund up. And hopefully we get assigned some TQQQ this week. One other thing I'm going to do here, what did we have left? We got 210 left. I'm going to go in and buy some Tesla. Buy $100 with a Tesla. Put that to work, especially when I can lower my average cost a little bit. So let's buy some more Tesla. It buys us 0.39 shares, and that brings us up to 120.69. So 264 on the average cost there. And then, you know what? I'm actually going to buy a little bit more of this. I really want to get this to 500. So let's buy a little bit more. Do we actually have 110 available? Yeah, so let's do another... let's do 10. Let's do another 10 shares. Let's get our cost down there. Hopefully we get under the 10 with this one. Yeah, we go, 997. So love to see that. So cost basis is now down under 10, which means when we go in here to trade options, if we were to go 2 weeks out and we sell the call of the 10, we can collect $11 a share or $12 a share and 4 of those. So we can collect $44. So not bad. Especially on $4,000, $330, $500 worth of capital. It's over 1% on the actual trade. So that's what we're gonna do. I want to get another 40 shares. Depending on what trades I end up doing, I'm just gonna keep buying each and every single week. I do have the deposit that hits each and every single week as well. So we'll have some more buying power, and then we'll just take a look. But that's the update for the week. Nice $400 week last week. This week's another, $300, $400 week in premiums. And let's see how the week shakes out. But thanks everybody for tuning in. Thanks everybody for liking and supporting all my content. And we're going to keep rolling, and we're going to keep showing you how I make my trades each and every single week. And so far so good. I can't complain about a 20% this year. Would love to end the year around 30. We're just going to keep chipping away at it, and let's see if the stocks play nicely. But catch everybody later. Happy investing. See ya.